Gentleman drives an 88 VT1100, and he just picked up an anti-gravity lithium-ion battery, and he's asking, do I need to update the stator or regulator rectifier? Runs fine, but haven't test driven it. Not sure how you know it runs right if you haven't driven it, but I digress. Anyways, no, you don't need to update your stator, your regulator rectifier, any of that stuff if you use a lithium-ion battery. They're great batteries. They typically have much higher cold cranking amps. You can mount them in any position. You lose about 6 to 7 pounds, if I recall correctly, by swapping from a stock battery to a battery such as an Antigravity. Great batteries all around, except that if you want to charge them, you must get a specific charger for that lithium-ion battery. You can't use your regular trickle chargers that you've been using for years for your lead cell batteries. You have to get a specific charger for the lithium-ion batteries. If you try to jump it with a car, something like that, I have heard of a few people who say that lithium-ion batteries are shit because they jumped it with a car or used the wrong charger on it. So make sure you use the right charger and definitely get one. They're freaking awesome. I use them on all my bikes. Very reliable, and they're very lightweight. So it's like losing 7 pounds without having to go on a shitty diet. Thank you.